A tornado watch has just been issued by the National Weather Service. This stretches from Floyd County and Chattooga counties all the way down south through Troup County, and it includes the western portions of our area. This goes until 3 o'clock in the morning. That's when the environment is going to be most conducive for the development of isolated tornadoes. So far, things are still pretty quiet across North Georgia. We have some areas of light rainfall that are developing down towards the south into far southern Meriwether County, as well as up into the northwestern corner of the state. Right now, we're seeing a little bit of that light rainfall into Chattooga County, but otherwise, we're mainly dry. It's been overcast all day today. Conditions have been dreary and gray as we've anticipated the arrival of these thunderstorms, and they are widespread across the eastern United States. Tornado watches in effect through portions of our area, as well as into Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, as well as West Virginia, where these thunderstorms are producing severe thunderstorm warnings as well as tornado warnings just out to our north and our west. The closest tornado warning we have just moved into Tennessee, where there is a radar indicated tornado there. We also have a severe thunderstorm warning out towards the west into portions of northwest Alabama, but where we have to look for that shower and thunderstorm activity that's going to be moving into our neck of the woods is really through northern and into central Alabama. These showers and storms are moving up towards the northeast, so we've still got a little time until the stronger activity reaches us, but we're likely going to start seeing those stronger and even severe thunderstorms within about the next hour or two into far northwest Georgia. This is all associated with a passing cold front. This cold front, a strong storm system as it moves off towards the east, spawning all these showers and storms. The more prominent severe weather threat is up towards the northwest of us into portions of Kentucky as well as Ohio, but we are included in that level 3 enhanced risk for severe weather, and that does include the metro Atlanta area. Because of the timing of these storms, as temperatures cool a little into the overnight, these storms will be weakening as they move down towards the east, which means our severe weather threat is going to be higher on the western half of the state than it is on the eastern half. We're going to be on the lookout for storms that could produce heavy rainfall as well as potentially strong and even damaging winds. Our hail threat is on the lower side, but some large hail is still possible, and that tornado threat is moderate for isolated tornadoes as these storms come through. This is our view currently in Rome, where the winds have certainly picked up and ahead of those storms. We've also been experiencing a beautiful sunset there as well because of the cloud cover. As far as timing goes, far northwest corner of the state, we'll watch those storms push in over the next few hours, likely ending by about midnight. Then the storms move into metro Atlanta area by about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock this evening, and continue to 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, eventually pushing down towards the southeast after midnight and clearing out before the sun rises. So this will predominantly be an overnight event, which means you do need a way to get these warnings that, if you're going to be asleep during this time, would wake you up, especially if there are tornado warnings that are issued as these storms come through. The most widespread of the rainfall will likely take place after about 10 o'clock this evening through 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and then storms will become more isolated, less numerous as we get closer to the sunrise tomorrow morning. Here's how it plays out on your forecast track. That line of showers and storms pushing in by 10 or 11 and quickly spreading down towards the southeast. Those areas where we have the reds and the pinks, the oranges showing up on our forecast track, that's where it's likely we will have the heaviest rainfall as well as the strongest storms, and then these clear out by the time the sun is rising tomorrow morning. We'll be left with some isolated showers perhaps tomorrow morning and even into the afternoon, but rain chances a lot lower, only 20% for your Wednesday before we dry out. It's abnormally warm right now, 77 degrees in Atlanta. All this warmth really acting as fuel for these storms as they come in. Behind that cold front, temperatures are a lot cooler. We're seeing 40s and 30s into portions of the Midwest, and all that cold air will sink southward, really settling in across the southeast and across North Georgia for the second half of the week. So colder air is in the forecast. I'll have all those details, plus all your news coming up after the break.